Just starting to move now. On days like today, it's extremely difficult to get out and film. The reason I say that is because it's really cold out here. I spent most of the day inside. If it weren't for the train, I'd still be inside. Right behind me. I don't know if that's the crew in the rail yard talking, that's what I'm hearing. See if the heritage unit's up here somewhere. It might be on the two edges of the back of the train, it might be somewhere else. That's the mystery I'm trying to solve. Where did the missing heritage unit go? I think the engines are just now crossing Main Street. I cannot do that without laughing. Yes, I know I sound like a truck beeper when they're backing up. I learned lots of talents during lockdown in 2020, when we were stuck in the house and bored all the time. That's one of them. Beep, 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 beep. Click. It's getting colder out here. They're taking off now, and I just missed a horn salute by a few seconds. I have no idea who that is. But somebody knew. I made that comment because I don't recognize the one person in the truck over there. I think I know about everybody in rjcorman except for a few new people that just recently started. Wait a second. Howdy. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, I know him. I just realized that's Cordell. Everybody's gonna laugh at me if I didn't recognize him because all the big winter outfit covering most of his face. That's why I didn't recognize him. It gets miserably cold around here this time of year. This area is for you that's not from this area. Well, anybody from the deep south that watches my videos probably wouldn't understand how cold it gets around here. Anybody that's in the northern half of the United States probably understands it gets cold around here in the winter time. Although the past few years it's been unusually warm. That one was sent from West Selling a few weeks ago. It came back. They literally brought that up. That particular towing car, if I was riding on it, was in West Selling a few weeks ago. Came up on the train like mid-December. And here it is back on the train at the beginning of January. I'm filming all this on January 2nd, 2025. The second train video of the year. First one was down Montgomery. Or I could say Montkey because I spelled it wrong that one time. And my friends ain't gonna let me live it down. We all jokingly call it Montkey now because I spelled Montgomery wrong. Power cord. If it was not miserably cold out here wintertime, I'll probably think that's a snake and panic. Nope, here this unit ain't on this train. There's a Pan Am Harris unit floating on the coal train somewhere in the area. I wait on it in Montgomery, it's not in Montgomery. I thought maybe it's dropped off rjcorman, but it's not dropped off rjcorman because it's not here either. Get across the road here because I don't know which way the vehicles are going.